I've got some bad news and some good news. But first, let me show you something. There you go. The floor is all painted. So the van is coming together nicely. Now I'm at that stage now where I can actually start putting furniture into it, start building stuff, which is the fun part. But that brings me to the good news and the bad news. First we'll do the bad news, because I like to end on a high and a positive note. So the bad news is my heater hasn't arrived. That sounds Spanish. My heater. Okay, my cheap Chinese diesel heater still hasn't arrived. Now I ordered it on the 1st of the month and it is now the 18th, so no sign of it. They've had me money and they haven't delivered it. Now on the listing it said it was coming from Liverpool and delivery would be 3 to 5 days, but that was 18 days ago. I've sent them a letter, 2 letters actually. Twice I've sent them an email saying where's my heater. Still saying Spanish. My heater. Where's my heater? Still no better, is it? Still sounds a bit Spanish, but you know what I'm talking about, right? So the first time I sent them an email, they sent me back a standard letter. Dear friend, we are doing our best, blah 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 blah, to satisfy you. It will be with you within 2 to 3 days. Well, that was at the beginning of the week. So at the end of the week, come Friday, I sent them another email. Sure enough, they send me back the exact same email, exact the same words, and you can tell by reading it, it's from China, right? Now in the listing, it says it's coming from Liverpool. So it's a definite, it's a con. It's got to be. So I looked at their feedback, and their negative feedback is diabolical. If I read the feedback before I'd actually ordered it, I probably would never have ordered it from that company. So I looked at some other heaters on there and it's all the same. All the listings are the same. Coming from Liverpool, 2 to 5 days delivery. So it's definitely a case of buyer beware. I just wanted to warn all my subscribers, because you know I appreciate you subscribing to my channel and I want to share stuff with you, good and bad. So yeah, if you're going to order one of these cheap Chinese heaters, make sure you read the feedback of the person selling it. That's the big mistake I made. If I'd read that feedback, I probably wouldn't have ordered it from that company. And now eBay say that they have to give the company until the 27th of this month to respond to my request for a refund. I've put in a request for a refund, you see. So now I've got to wait till the 27th for them to respond, and then that again is going to take another couple of days. So I'm looking probably the end of the month before I know whether or not to order another one from a different company. Now I don't want to order one from a different company in case I end up with 2. So yeah, absolute nightmare. And I just need that heater so I can crack on and do my build. So that's going to slow me down now. Yeah, which is quite upsetting to say the least. But now the good news. Now the good news is I spent the afternoon with my lovely daughter walking around Christmas market doing all that Christmassy stuff, and it was a lovely afternoon, and she muttered those words that every proud father wants to hear. She said, Dad, can you build me a camper van? I was like, oh, I've waited years to hear those words. How wonderful. I said to her, my darling, I said, no, I'm not going to build you a camper van. She said, what? Why not? I said, I'm not going to build you a camper van, but I will help you build a camper van. And she jumped for joy. What a lovely moment. I just wanted to share that with the world because I'm so proud. A proud father, definitely. So yeah, there's something to look forward to. If you're not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I can see a vlog coming on there. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you, and that's it for today. That's all I've got to say. Little short clip, little short video. So yeah, if you like my channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. You won't miss a thing.